Hello and welcome back to All Things Defender. As I said in my last video, hopefully very quick one, just going to see if I can actually refit this dial into the dashboard. I'll show you just where. Into the dashboard, just here. Should be simple, we think. I don't know, I've not done it. There's two screws on the end there, one there, and two this end, one there and one there. Hopefully if I just take those off, it should come out. Hopefully there might be a couple underneath actually. I'll take those out and see if it comes out. Really simple. A little bit tight on one of the to that one little dial there, and I think I'll probably be able to poke it in through the back there, if you can see, in that little gap there, and hopefully feed the wire through the gap somewhere. So let's try. That little plastic thing, it just pushes out and the gauge fits like a glove. Just like that. There we go. So we'll pop the gauge in there. Two little wires need wiring back up to the 12 volts and plug in the pipe in, and then we'll turn it on, and then hopefully that'll be a lot easier to read that when driving along. Right, always an issue, two issues. The lead on this, the gauge isn't quite long enough to get to where I did plug it in before, but these are the little dashboard lights that come on when you turn the headlights on. So I'm just going to break into two of those, black and a red, join it onto there with a little chocolate block. The other issue is the pipe. The clear pipe isn't long enough to reach, so I'm going to have to extend that with a little extender piece, I think. Right, there we go, you can see the little chocolate block in there. I've wired it in. As usual, just going to turn it all on, check that it does actually come on when I turn the lights on before I set it all back into position. So there we go, that's the lights on, lights off. So that does work. Perfect, we'll reassemble it all, but got to extend that pipe first. Don't have any pipe, but that's quite a simple job. I'll just get some more pipe, a little T-piece, and extend it around the back of the dashboard. All right, finally, pipe's come through. I've managed to reroute it rather than actually extend it. Instead of going to the left of the car over that side, I've come down through the centre. I'll tidy it all up, I'll cable tie it through an existing grommet there, which comes out the back of the dashboard. So we can plug it all in the front and then it'll be working again. Right, finally, that's all back in. I won't put it out too far. I've attached the pipes, put all the little lights back in. All we've got to do now is screw the dashboard back on with the 4 little screws, and then that's it. We'll turn it on and hopefully it still works. Right, there we go. That's another job complete. So thanks very much for watching. I'll just turn the lights on and off again. There we go, just to show that it does work. So thanks. And again, if you've not watched the previous video, I'll put a link up there or there. I don't know where it's going to go. To the previous video where I actually fitted the turbo boost gauge. So if you've missed that one, just go back one stage and look at that. Many thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.